A concession stand selling cheeseburgers determines that the total revenue from selling X cheeseburgers is given by R of X equal to 5X. It is also determined that the total cost of producing X cheeseburgers is given by C of X, which is 0.001x squared plus 1.2x plus 60. We want to find the maximum profit and the number of cheeseburgers that must be produced and sold in order to yield the maximum profit. Alright, so we're told that the revenue function is given by 5x, and then the cost of function is given by 0.001x squared plus 1.2x plus 60. We want to maximize profit. So first of all, we have to come up with the profit function. Now keep in mind that profit, we can call it P of x, is equal to the revenue function minus the cost function. So here our profit function, we're going to take revenue, 5x, and subtract from that the cost function. So subtracting from that a 0.001x squared plus 1.2x plus 60. So simplifying, we have that our profit function is a negative 0.001x squared plus 3.8x minus 60. Now to maximize the profit function, we need to find the critical values. We can find the critical values by taking the derivative. So the derivative of the profit function is going to be a negative 0.002x plus 3.8. So now let's set the derivative equal to 0. We want to set the derivative equal to 0. So we're setting a negative 0.002x plus 3.8 equal to 0. Solving for x, so subtract a 3.8 from both sides. So we have a negative 0.002x equal to a negative 3.8. Now divide both sides by a negative 0.002, and we get that x is equal to 1900. To verify that x equal to 1900 is in fact a maximum, let's check using the second derivative. So taking the second derivative, we get a negative 0.002. So plugging our critical value into the derivative, we do in fact get a negative answer, a negative 0.002, which is less than 0. So therefore P of 1900 is a maximum. Now x represents the number of cheeseburgers, so therefore we have a maximum profit when 1900 cheeseburgers are produced and sold. Now to find what the maximum profit is, we're going to plug 1900 into our profit function. So plugging 1900 into the profit function is going to look like we're going to have a negative 0.001 times 1900 squared plus 3.8 times 1900 minus 60. So that comes out to be 3,550, and we're going to assume that revenue and cost is in dollars. So here we have a maximum profit of $3,550, and that's when 1900 cheeseburgers are sold.